Are you tired of using skincare products that don't work? Do you want to achieve that perfect glow and flawless skin? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about the top skincare brands to try in 2023. First on our list is Paula's Choice. Paula's Choice offers a wide range of products, from cleansers to serums, that are perfect for all skin types. Their products are formulated with effective ingredients, such as retinol and vitamin C, that have been proven to help fight signs of aging. Next up is The Ordinary, which has gained popularity over the years because of their affordable yet effective products. The brand's minimalistic approach to skincare has attracted a lot of attention, especially for those who want to simplify their routine without compromising the quality of their skincare products. If you're looking for a luxurious skincare experience, then look no further than La Mer. Their products are known for their high-end ingredients, such as sea kelp and sea minerals, that provide intensive moisture for the skin. Fourth on our list is Biossance, a brand that focuses on using natural and sustainable ingredients in their products. Their products are free from harmful chemicals, making them perfect for those with sensitive skin. Last but not least is Drunk Elephant, a brand that has gained a cult following for their clean skincare philosophy. Their products contain no additives, fragrances, and other harmful ingredients, which make them perfect for those who are conscious about what they put on their skin. Now that you know the top skincare brands to try in 2023, it's important to remember that skincare is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's important to know your skin type and choose the products that work best for you. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our daily skincare and beauty updates. Thanks for watching.